Everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about autonomous drone. How does it work? What are the main functionalities of it? Does it I need to record it again, or it function correctly? I just repeat it again. Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about autonomous drone. How does it work? What are the main function of it? All that stuff that you can share, as you can see on the screen. There is a topic. There is a topic. There is a topic. I'm not nervous while recording video. Just need to just need to think about what just need to think about the thought process or the thing that we have to be speak in front of the camera. It's not easy task to speak out effectively or fluently whatever thought you are processing to speak. So just that's why I got little bit of what little bit of patience need to be required in order to speak. Just don't mimic out whatever you're thinking. Take time and just then speak it out. I'm just saying that. Do you get what do you get it what I want to say? I want saying that if you're not able to accomplish, if you're not able to, if you're not able to speak it out, the word that you are thinking about, then what? Then what? Autonomous drone, also known as unmanned aerial vehicle or unmanned aircraft system, are aircraft that can operate without human intervention. They are equipped with sensor, GPS, and often artificial intelligence system that enable them to fly, navigate, and make decision independently. We're going to talk about autonomous vehicle, as you can see through the description about him, about the topic. Autonomous vehicle are those vehicle, not vehicle. We are talking about drones. Autonomous drones are the those which are unmanned aircraft system or aircraft that can operate without human intervention and can drive or can that can fly without the human intervention. They are equipped with sensor, GPS, and often artificial intelligence. They are equipped with sensor, GPS, and often artificial intelligence system that enabled them to fly, navigate, and make decision independently. Mm. Okay. That's in a simple definition. I think everybody have, everybody have watched, everybody had understand the topic or description about what does autonomous drone means. Autonomous drone basically are the aircraft that doesn't require, not type of aircraft that small aircraft can be either small or big. I think aircraft often used on bigger size cargo airplane that used to be not cargo airplane but every kind of object that fly. Unmanned aircraft system and aircraft that can operate without human intervention. They are equipped with the sensor, GPS, and after artificial intelligence system that enable them to fly, navigate, and make decision independently. Okay. Now we are going to talk about various things about the autonomous level, autonomous drones. Like how does it work? Either they are fully autonomous, or what are the different type of levels of autonomous vehicle? Fully autonomous or semi-autonomous? Oh, we are going to talk about two level type of autonomous drones. And for the different application or different thing where they can be used in the agricultural field, delivery service. Oh, search, rescue, infrastructure inspection, filmmaking, environmental monitoring. All that stuff they can be it can be used. Sensor and technology. Autonomous drone can occupy. Then we are going to talk about what the sensor and technology and what are the regulatory framework. What are the different regulation work in order to regulate them. What are the safety and privacy concerns around it? Future development challenges faced by the autonomous vehicle in order to improvement in the field of autonomous. Then we are going to cover this. Then we are going to cover different question related to autonomous drones. It is most. It is going to be the most fun part of this slide. Okay, so be patient with me. Be patient with me. I'm going to cover all that things. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Mm. Autonomy level. Fully autonomous. Full. Some drones are capable of complete autonomy from takeoff to landing. They can perform tasks such as surveying, mapping, or inspection without human intervention. Oh, is it possible? If they can perform tasks such as surveying, mapping, and inspection without human intervention, they can be what kind of what autonomous vehicle are they? Autonomous drones they are. Why I'm using vehicle most of the time? Because I've covered that topic also earlier in this series of in the series of videos. I've covered the autonomous vehicle, how does it work, what is the main function of them, all that stuff. Now we are going to cover about what is semi-autonomous. Many drones are semi-autonomous, where they are require initial human input. Yeah, such as setting waypoint or defining mission parameters. What can be operate autonomously within those parameters? Yeah, they require initial input, then only can they can perform. Application agriculture. Autonomous drone can monitor crop health, apply pesticide or fertilizer, and improve overall farm management. Delivery service. Companies like Amazon, UPS are exploring drone delivery system for faster and more efficient package delivery. Research and rescue. Drones occupied with thermal imaging or other sensor can assist in locating missing person or disaster survivor. Infrastructure inspection. They can be used to inspect bridges, power lines, pipelines, or other infrastructure, reducing the risk of human inspectors. Filmmaking. In the entertainment industry, drones are employed for aerial cinematography, capturing breathtaking shots that can be previously challenging to achieve. Environmental monitoring. Drones are used to wildlife tracking, pollution monitoring, and environmental research. Sensor and technologies. Autonomous drones are equipped with a range of sensors, including GPS, accelerometer, gyroscope, gyroscopes, cameras, LiDAR, even LiDAR. AI and computer vision enable system unable to process and interpret sensor data, make decision, and avoid obstacle. All that stuff is possible with autonomous drones. It's good to remain hydrated while recording video because choke down your throat after some time. Then it's difficult to record video afterwards. That's why I'll keep my throat hydrated in some period of time, in some minute of time. We've talked about autonomous level, like fully autonomous, semi-autonomous application of it, where it can be used in the application, agriculture, delivery service, search and rescue, infrastructure inspection, filmmaking, environmental monitoring, sensor and technology, autonomous drones, AI and computer vision, all that it can be used. Now we are going to talk about security or privacy concerns issue related to autonomous drones, like regulatory framework. How does they regulate by the government and aviation authority have established regulation and guidelines for operation for autonomous drone, including rules regarding flight altitude, no fly zone, and operator licensing. Safety and privacy concerns. Concern about the safety of autonomous drone include the risk of mid-air collision, malfunctions, and cybersecurity threat. Privacy concerns relate to potential for drones to capture images or data without consent, raising question about surveillance and data protection. Future development, ongoing advancement in AI sensors and battery technologies are expected to lead more capable and versatile autonomous drone. Urban air mobility and flying taxi represent an emerging field where autonomous drone may play a significant role in future transportation system. Battery life limit the flight time of drones requiring frequent recharging or battery swaps. What are the different challenges faced by them? Future development can be in the AI or sensor or battery technology expected to lead more capable and versatile autonomous drone. Yeah, even if the battery is capable to what to remain in power for longer period of time, then it is also helpful. What is urban air mobility? Flying taxi. Oh, it's a new technology, a new field in well technology. It is, I think, going to boom in next 5 to 10 years. Flying taxi represent emerging field where autonomous drone may be play a significant role in future development transportation system. What are the different challenges? Batteries life limit the flight time of drones requiring frequent recharging or battery swaps. Ensuring robust and secure communication between autonomous drones and ground control crucial system is crucial. Navigating complex and dynamic environments such as urban areas poses significant challenges for autonomous drones. What are the different challenges faced by autonomous? We will talk about. Now we have to cover these 7 questions. Already 12 minutes has to pass in this video. How do autonomous drone navigate in complex and dynamic environments such as crowded urban areas? What technologies are used to ensure safety and efficient flight? Autonomous drones are a combination of technologies including GPS, inertial, inertial navigation system, obstacle detection, sensors such as lidar and radar, and advanced algorithm. These technologies enable them to avoid obstacles and make real-time decisions to navigate safely through complex environment. What are the key considerations for ensuring the cyber security and data privacy autonomous drone operation, especially when drones are used for surveillance, data collection, and critical infrastructure infra- infrastructure instruction. What I'm doing, bro. Infrastructure instruction. Ensuring cybersecurity involves securing communication between the drones and ground control, protecting data transmission, and safeguarding against potential hacking attempt. Data privacy considerations include obtaining consent for data collection, anonymizing collected data, and complying the relevant privacy regulation. How do autonomous drones contribute to the development of smart cities and urban air mobility? What challenges must be arranged to make these concepts a reality? Autonomous drones play a crucial role in UAM, providing aerial transportation railway cities. They can help reduce traffic congestion and improve transportation efficiency. Challenges include developing air traffic management system, ensuring safety in densely populated areas, and regulatory approval. In agriculture, autonomous drone can be used in tasks like crop monitoring and pesticide application. How does a drone optimize resource uses of improving farming practice? What are the limitations? Autonomous agriculture drones are use sensor and AI to monitor crop health and apply resources precisely where needed. They reduce the use of pesticide and fertilizer, conserves water, increases crop yield. Limitations include the cost of drones, technology, and need for training the operator and maintain them. What are the role autonomous drone play in disaster response and search and rescue operation? How do they enhance the capability of first responder in critical situation? Autonomous drones can quickly survey disaster-stricken areas, locate survivor, and exit damage. They provide real-time information to first responder, improving coordination and potentially saving lives of critical situation. As autonomous drones technology advances, what are the emerging applications they like to shape various industries? How might we disrupt traditional business model? Emerging applications include autonomous drone deliveries, inspection of large scale infrastructure, environmental monitoring. These applications have a potential to disrupt traditional business model by increasing efficiency, reducing cost, and opening new opportunities for innovation. How can you regulate and strike a balance between enabling the growth of autonomous drone technology, ensuring safety, privacy, and compliances with airspace regulation? Authorities can establish clear guidelines for drones operation, enforce safety measures, and require operator to obtain appropriate license and certificate. They must be collaborate with industry stakeholder to keep regulation up to date with technologies advancement. I think 15 minutes has passed in this video. We have covered many points about the autonomous drones. How does it work? Not autonomous, not autonomous drone, but like, yeah, of course autonomous. I think I'm not in that state today while recording that video. That used to be daily, but I need to record. Yeah, that's it for the video. We'll see you next time. Keep hustling till then.